South Africa's bid to reach the 2026 FIFA World Cup has been dealt a crushing blow after World Football's governing body sanctioned the South African Football Association SAFA for fielding an ineligible player. The FIFA Disciplinary Committee ruled that midfielder Teboho Mokoena should not have featured in Bafana Bafana's World Cup qualifying clash against Lesotho on 21 March 2025. The governing body found SAFA guilty of breaching Article 19 of the FIFA Disciplinary Code and Article 14 of the competition regulations. As a result, South Africa's 1-0 win on the field has been overturned, with FIFA awarding Lesotho a 3-0 victory by forfeit. The ruling comes with heavy consequences. SAFA has been fined approximately 200,000 rand, while Mokoena received a formal warning. More damaging, however, is the impact on Bafana Bafana's qualifying campaign. Originally leading Group C with 17 points, Hugo Bross's men now dropped to 14 points, level with Benin. Nigeria, lacking with 11 points from 8 matches, suddenly finds itself back in contention with only group winners guaranteed a ticket to North America 2026. The punishment could prove decisive. In a statement, FIFA confirmed that the FIFA Disciplinary Committee has sanctioned SAFA for having fielded an ineligible player, Teboho Mokoena, in the South Africa vs Lesotho match played on 21 March 2025 in the FIFA World Cup 2026 preliminary competition. The decision is not yet final. SAFA and the affected parties have 10 days to request a full written judgment, after which the case may be escalated to the FIFA Appeal Committee. For Bafana Bafana, the timing could hardly be worse. The setback leaves their qualification hopes hanging by a thread ahead of crucial fixtures against Zimbabwe and Rwanda, where nothing short of victory may be enough to keep their World Cup dream alive. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.